Welcome to another episode of Rock Talk. Today, we're digging deep into the fascinating world of syenite. You might think it's just another kind of granite, but trust us, there's so much more to it.
Absolutely. So, let's start with the basics. Syenite is classified as an intrusive igneous rock. But what sets it apart from granite?
Great question. The key difference lies in its mineral composition. While granite is packed with quartz, syenite has very little to none. In fact, to be considered syenite, quartz must make up less than 5% of the total volume.
Interesting. So, what are the main minerals we find in syenite?
Syenite is primarily composed of alkali feldspar, which can be orthoclase, microcline, or albite, making up over 65% of the rock. There are also minor minerals like plagioclase and some mafic minerals such as hornblende and biotite.
Got it. Now let's talk about its physical characteristics. What makes syenite stand out visually?
Syenite has a phaneritic texture, which means its individual crystals are easily visible. It's usually light-colored. Think gray, pink, or even reddish hues depending on the feldspar present.
And what about durability? How does it compare to granite?
Syenite is quite durable, similar to granite, and has a density ranging from 2.6 to 2.8 grams per cubic centimeter. It's tough enough to be used in construction.
Speaking of construction, where does syenite typically form? Is it common in certain areas?
Syenite forms from the slow cooling of magma deep beneath the Earth's surface, usually in continental crust environments. Notable locations include the White Mountains in the USA, Norway, and Canada.
That's fascinating. I also heard syenite can be associated with rare earth deposits. Is that true?
Yes. Syenite bodies are sometimes linked with rare earth element deposits and iron ores. It's a rock with more surprises than you'd expect.
And let's not forget its uses. How is syenite utilized in various industries?
Because of its toughness, syenite is used in construction as crushed stone and for architectural purposes like countertops and tiles. Plus, the nepheline syenite variant is prized in glass and ceramics due to its flux properties.
It sounds like syenite has a lot of practical applications. Before we wrap up, can you summarize the key differences between syenite and granite?
Sure. The main distinction is that granite contains 20% to 60% quartz, while syenite has little to no quartz, making it look more opaque, with feldspar dominating.
Thank you for that clear comparison. It's amazing how much there is to learn about rocks that seem similar at first glance.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us today on Rock Talk. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of syenite. Until next time, keep looking at the world around you.